In this video, we will explore how to paint a beautiful pastel landscape using watercolors. This artwork focuses on creating soft pastel colors and creating a simple landscape with them. If you are a pastel lover, join me to discover the world of pastel colors in watercolors. I start by wetting the paper. On my palette, I mix permanent orange with a small amount of Payne's gray. Using lighter value of this mix, I'm going to paint the sky. The first landscape is a simple seascape. To achieve pastel color, I use only light values of the pigments, resulting in soft and delicate pastel shades. I'm doing a variegated wash for the sky. After applying the first pigment, a mix of permanent orange and Payne's gray, I then mix the remaining pigment on the brush with small amount of indigo to get a muddy shade. I use this to continue painting the sky, creating a variegated wash. A variegated wash is a technique where you apply different colors to the paper and blend them while the paper is still wet. Now, using a round brush with medium value of indigo pigment, I paint the horizon of the sea. Then with a mop brush and the same medium value of indigo, I am creating a gradient wash from the horizon to the bottom of the paper. Finally, I'm using the round brush loaded with medium value of indigo pigment to paint some lines that depict the movement of the water. Next, we are going to paint a night sky with a full moon. I start by drawing a small circle on the top left side of the paper to represent the moon. Make sure your pencil mark is very light and barely visible so it doesn't show through after you apply the paint. Next, I wet the area around the circle. I mix permanent orange with small amount of Payne's gray to create a light orange shade. Using this mix, I paint around the circle. Then I mix Payne's gray with indigo, and using medium value of this mix, I paint around that orange area and I fill the remaining space on the paper. After applying the pigments, I tilt the board and allow the pigments to move out of its place and blend naturally. Next, I'm mixing Payne's gray with indigo pigment. With dark value of this mix, I paint the distant trees. While tilting the board, the excess pigment will get collected near the masking tape. Wipe them using a waistcloth and then allow the paper to dry completely. Next, I wet the area inside the moon and I added indigo pigment in various spots to create the texture and craters of the moon. For our seascape, next I'm going to add some birds using Payne's Gray. These birds are flying towards left side. For the night sky, I'm adding some birds which are flying towards the viewers. We reached end of this video. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. Until then, take care and bye bye from Prema.